2000 GT sports car from Alfa Romeo, built from the early to the mid 1970s, based on the four-door Berlina variant and a replacement to the previous 1750 GT. In 1971, when the 1750 sedan was replaced by the 2000 sedan, 1750 GT Veloce was also replaced by the 2000 GT version. The 2000 GT presented both technical and aesthetic renewals, including the front grille and raised Alfa Romeo shield with integrated lights. The new engine, intended for road production, derived from the 1750, and various modifications. The increasing engine capacity resulting from the new 80mm bore brought the power up to 150 horsepower, with a top speed of over 121 miles per hour, 195 km/h, a standing quarter mile in 16.8 seconds. At the rear of the car, now in place, were larger rear taillights. Inside, a brand new center console layout, instruments in a single block, created by Jaeger, replacement of the secondary instrumentation grouped together in a cloverleaf style dish steering wheel with a new front seat design. It was equipped with a 25% ZF limited slip differential as standard. The 2000 GT is the only GT to display on the rear pillars the sports badge depicting the snake, emblem green on a white background, instead of the traditional green or gold four-leaf clover, while air conditioning, metallic paint and leather upholstery was optional, as well as special light alloy wheels. The suspension at the front, independent, with wishbones, lower trailing links, coil springs, anti-roll bar and telescopic dampers. At the rear, a rigid axle, also with an anti-roll bar. Almost 38,000 examples of the 2000 GT were produced until 1975, of which 6,337 were sold to the United States, to which additional bumpers were applied to comply with the US safety laws at the time. The 5,451 came with right-hand drive. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Motorcar History.